Hello guys, welcome to Zaitun Touch Plus channel on YouTube. Today in this lesson of CSS we will work with gradient. We open our bracket, our live preview. And here we add our first tag, and here we add dev class grad1 because we want to add many gradients. We copy this. We have linked our HTML with our CSS file. Now we come to our CSS. We have named the class grad1, grad2 and grad3. Now in here we add a style for grad1. We add a height for it. And instead of a background color for gradient, we add background image. Background image, we want to make it linear gradient or radial gradient. Now we add first we add linear gradient. For linear gradient, we come to our color codes website, flat UI colors. First one should be blue. Then red. Now we see in here that we have got this it's on a style that we can do with CSS for adding gradient. We can use it in another way too. If we add it to right, the first one should be will be in the right, and the second one will be in the left. Or we can use it the left. The first one will be in the left, and the second one will be in the right. Now we want to add the style for our second gradient too. In here, instead of this we type grad2. Only we need to add margin top 50 px. I want to change the colors. Now in here we see that we have got this color, but I want to change the style from linear gradient to radial gradient. For this we need to delete left or right. Now we see that we got liner, we have radial gradient. We can add many other colors. Like violet color, I want to add this too. Now I have 3 colors in here. Simply I have added 3 colors in here. Now I want to add another style for our third gradient. Liner gradient. Now I want to add a degree for it, like 180 degrees. Or I can change it to 90 degrees. 90 degrees like this, but I want to add percentage for colors. The first one I want to be 20%, the second one 10%, and the last one 70%. Now I see that I have got this. And this was a way to add gradient, but we have some tricks for adding gradient that we will learn it and other lessons, and the other lessons we will work with gradient too. I want to add another gradient. Now in here I add another div. Grad 4. Now I want to make a rainbow in here. To add a rainbow, we simply copy this one, first one, we have grad 4. We need to add liner gradient. I want to make it to right. Colors, I need to add colors in here. First one, red. red, orange, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now I want to change the weight in here. This is a rainbow that we have created with using HTML and CSS. And thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.